welcome back to my channel, and I came with a brand new video which is top 7 courses in Singapore that you should be doing to get your dream job in Singapore. And before that, let me share some tips and tricks. First thing, you should have multi-domain knowledge in Singapore. That means you should be cybersecurity, you should be cloud expert, you should be Kubernetes expert, all these things. Plus, you should also have the training and certifications. So in this video, I'm gonna share from where you have to do training, what kind of training you also should be attending, what will be the cost, what is the options you can do online or offline, what is the institute you should be approaching so you can get the best guidance, and whether it's a cost effective or not. So everything I'm gonna share in this video. And before starting the video, let me share about me. I am Manju from Singapore, and I'm living in Singapore from 13 years, and I can guide you the best because I'm working in one of the IT field. That is a plus point for you guys. In case if you want to get your dream job in Singapore, please see this video because I'm gonna list the top 7 courses in Singapore so that you can get your dream job. So the first job you should be doing is cloud related. Yes, AWS, Azure and Google now one of this cloud job in Singapore, and you at least should be certified and trained in any of this field. You can either go for AWS, Azure, Google, it doesn't matter, but you should have the technology knowledge in this area. So go and get the training for it as soon as possible. Next in my list is PMP, that means project management training. So project management, basically you have to manage the project. You will be the project manager and you will be managing the whole team to make sure you are delivering the project to your company. And definitely for this you can do PMP certifications and training. Another job in my list is cybersecurity specialist. So you know, right, Singapore is top most secure in the world, and to make sure the security, because it doesn't want to compromise, they keep the specialist, cybersecurity as specialist. So if you are doing certification and training in one of these fields, definitely you have better scope getting job in Singapore. So I have listed down all the courses what you can go and proceed to do for this kind of cybersecurity specialist. Next in my list is ITIL. Basically this is more on process oriented, and each and every Singapore company make sure all the IT engineers, they know what is a basic process they are following. So make sure you have this basic ITIL certification. Without that, I think you won't be able to justify how good you are in the process. Next is my list, which is my favorite also because I'm also belongs to this domain, that is Unix administrator. Make sure you are aware about one of this technology, which is Unix operating system. This includes Red Hat, Solaris, AIX, Ubuntu. There are many flavor about it. So you can go and get training one of these. I would suggest you go for Red Hat because nowadays it's very popular in Singapore. So you can do the certifications, which is associate and professional level, which is at least 4 days, and each 4 days. And you can also go for the certification like RHSCE or RHSCA. So if you want to do Unix training, you can contact me because I can give you the online training as well. As I have almost 13 years experience, I think, and I know environment better, so I think I will be one of the options for you to give you training. So in case you are interested for Red Hat operating system training, you can approach to me, and more details I will be sharing in the descriptions, like what is the cost, from when the batches are starting, everything I have mentioned in the description. Let's move to the another training, which is Java and SAP. Even though this is not my forte, not my domain, but I have seen many profile or job vacancy on LinkedIn. If you are expert in Java and SAP, definitely you have chance to get this kind of job in Singapore. So make sure you are doing the related trainings and certification in this field. And also, in case if you want to know what certification training you have to do, you can contact me so that I can direct you to the most famous institute for giving all this training in a budget friendly way, most effective way. They will schedule your plan, they will give you the training schedule as per your convenient time, weekends and weekdays training also available. So you can, when you get the bundles number of training together, definitely you will get some kind of voucher or discount. This will be like a very good offer that you may consider to improve your knowledge. And once you improve your knowledge, you may get chance, you have better chance to get job in Singapore. So guys, hope this video will be very helpful, and please like and subscribe to my channel before I come to the end of the point. And next in my list is Windows, VMware and backup storage. This is one of the easiest field where you should have the training and certifications, because this is more based on the GUI, graphical user interface. So it's easy for you to start your career. But let me tell you, as it's related to GUI, most of the local and PR having training and certification in this field, so it might be maybe difficult for you to get this job in Singapore. So make sure you are doing training which is little bit difficult, and you should have multi-domain experience, so it will increase your chance of getting opportunity in Singapore. Now move to the next one. And guys, before come to the most important training, let me tell you, if you are getting training in Singapore, definitely is gonna be very costly. That $4,000, $5,000 for one training, and certifications also you may need to pay around $600 or $700. But if you are going through me and you're approaching to me taking training, so I can help you to link to the one of the most famous institute. They will be approaching you and guiding you what kind of training you should be taking, what is the cost. Online options also available, and if you want like weekend training, that option is also available. So they will schedule the training as per your convenient timing, as per your budget. You can contact me via email, or maybe you can comment also to let me know what training you are interested and from when you want. I will link you to the most popular institute, and definitely I'm guarantee they will be providing you best of their training and with the cost effective budget and rate. Now let's move to the seventh option, which is very important: Kuber, Docker, OpenShift and Terraform. These are the few important training that nowadays in Singapore is very famous. It's basically use the Kubernetes technique to do and host your application on the production environment. So guys, make sure you have training and certification in Kubernetes, either Docker, OpenShift or Terraform, because this is very popular in Singapore as per what I know, as per my domain. And this can help you to get your dream job in Singapore. And if you have training in hand, the certificate in hand, definitely nobody can stop you. Even though there is not much demand for foreigner, but still you may be the lucky one to get your dream job in Singapore.